Welcome back to the channel. Forget everything you know about sedans because today we're jumping forward to the year 2050 to see how two of the most legendary nameplates have evolved. This is the ultimate showdown, the Toyota Corolla Hyper Electric versus the Honda Civic Quantum Drive Edition. These aren't just updates. They're complete reinventions for a fully autonomous world. So strap in because the future of driving is about to get wild. Let's start with how they look because in 2050, form truly follows function. The Corolla 2050 is a work of art. It features a floating aerodynamic shell, a seamless body that actually changes its shape in real time to slice through the air with maximum efficiency. And get this, the body panels are woven with nano-solar fibers, so at night, the entire car emits a soft, ambient glow. It's elegant, it's futuristic, and it's constantly adapting. Over in the Honda camp, the Civic 2050 takes a much more aggressive stance. Its design is dominated by sharp, functional airflow channels that guide air over and under the body for extreme stability at high speeds. The front grille isn't just for show. It's a magnetic vent that actively opens and closes responding to your speed and the battery's temperature to optimize performance. While the Corolla is flowing and smooth, the Civic looks like it's ready to pounce, even when it's standing still. Now let's step inside, and this is where things feel like they're straight out of a blockbuster sci-fi film. The Corolla 2050's interior is a minimalist's dream, mainly because there's almost nothing there. It boasts a full 360-degree hologram cockpit. Your climate controls, your navigation, your media, it's all projected in mid-air, controlled by simple hand gestures. The seats are suspended on magnetic cushions, giving you a feeling of floating inside a serene, high-tech bubble. The Civic, however, wants to connect with you on a deeper level. It introduces a voice-responsive quantum dashboard. This isn't just voice commands. The car's AI actively learns your driving habits, your daily routines, and even your mood. It will automatically adjust the cabin lighting, the ambient temperature, and even curate a music playlist that matches your vibe for that specific journey. It's less of a cockpit and more of a personal co-pilot that knows you better than you know yourself. Of course, we have to talk about what powers these incredible machines. Performance in 2050 is on another level. The Corolla Hyper-Electric is equipped with a dual magnetic motor system. It's incredibly smooth and delivers instant torque, launching you from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.1 seconds. But Toyota's focus on reliability remains. It boasts an astonishing range of 1,200 kilometers on a single rapid charge. Honda, true to its nature, pushes the performance envelope even further. The Civic Quantum Drive Edition features a groundbreaking tri-core quantum motor. The acceleration is brutal, hitting 0 to 100 in a mind-bending 2.8 seconds. It's a pure adrenaline rush. The trade-off for that extra speed is a slightly lower range, clocking in at 1,050 kilometers. Still incredibly impressive, but it clearly prioritizes raw power over long-distance cruising. Finally, let's discuss safety because this is where the future truly gets mind-blowing. The Corolla is protected by something called predictive AI shields. Using a network of sensors, the car anticipates a potential collision fractions of a second before it happens. In that instant, it deploys invisible protective layers around the cabin using pulses of compressed air, creating a buffer that deflects and absorbs impact energy. You might not even realize it was activated. Honda's approach is just as futuristic but feels more visceral. The Civic is coated in smart liquid armor. In its normal state, this is a fluid metallic layer that flows over the car's chassis. But on impact, it instantly solidifies, becoming harder than steel for a split second to absorb and distribute the force of the crash. It's a car with a reactive, hardened skin that protects you when you need it most. So, after seeing all this incredible tech, which one is the winner? It's a classic battle of philosophies just projected 30 years into the future. The Corolla 2050 is the pinnacle of calm, reliable, and comfortable autonomous travel. It's about getting you to your destination with unparalleled efficiency and in total serenity. The Civic 2050, on the other hand, is all about the thrill, the aggressive design, and a deeply personalized, high-octane experience. In the end, the better car depends on what you want your future to feel like. Do you want a future that is calm and effortless, or a future that feels fast and exciting? Let me know which one you'd choose down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this glimpse into the future, make sure to like and subscribe for more.